Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the short fin Mako Shark in Heartopia. So this is the one of the rare fish in Heartopia, and to get it is little hard. And to get or to catch it, you can just go to see a fishing event at the fishing village. Just join the fishing event on there, and then this shark only spawns at the from the 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. and it's only spawns at the rainbow weather. So just join the sea fishing event when it's rainbow weather, just like this time. And then next just go to sea fishing village, this one, and then just join this sea fishing event. You can join the sea fishing event 1 or 2. Just join it as you like. You can just join it when the event hosted by NPC, or you can also join it yourself by paying the NPC with 2000 gold. And then after you join this event, just keep fishing like usual, and you can also use the fish attractor or mermaid perfume to increase your chance to get this fish. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.